Time to try that button out. Let's hopefully not set off the fire alarm. I'm afraid to do it, but it should just turn off the door sensors. I'm just gonna give it a quick tap first. Let's close the doors. Okay, no fire alarm going off. Okay. Let's test the door sensors. Let me try this out. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm not even pressing the button. Yeah, I think it does ignore the door sensors when you do that. It doesn't ignore the bumpers, though. I kind of need two hands for this, so I'm gonna just do that. Bumpers work. I think it's just the sensors. I'm sorry this is not an exciting video. You know what, I'll try it out like this. Yeah, that's all it does, just disables the door sensors. Doesn't set off the fire alarms or anything. Just turns off the door sensors. Anyway, that's it.